The cord is a 2-wire, 16-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the side cover from the rear of the grinder. I'll separate the other half, and now I have access to the cord and the switch. And now I can remove the switch. I'll pull it away from the housing and remove the cord wires. With the cord removed from the switch, now I can remove the strain relief, and now we're ready to start installing the new cord. The wires come cut already to length. I will strip back a small amount more insulation. Twist the stranded wire, and install some new eyelets. I place the eyelet over the wire and crimp it in place. And the same thing on the black wire. Now I'll reinstall the strain relief. And now I'll reconnect the cord to the switch. And I'll reinstall the switch into the housing. I'll tuck the wires out of the way. Now I'll reinstall the housings. As I install the first housing, I'll make sure that the cord protector is mounted in the housing. I'll make sure I have enough cord protruding from the cord protector so it gets clamped by the cord clamp. And I'll make sure that the wires sit above this tab. This tab guides the wires back towards the rear of the tool. Now reinstall the lock-on button. And the paddle switch. And now the second half of the housing. As I install the second half of the housing, I need to make sure that the lock-on button aligns with this hole on the housing. Once the housings are in place, I'll secure them with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new cord on your power tool.